I survived the frustrating battle with stubborn belly fat by finding a quick and effective exercise routine. I spent just a few focused minutes each day on exercises specifically designed to target that area, and the transformation was remarkable. I saved time and effort by sticking to a straightforward routine of crunches, leg raises, and planks. Each exercise was chosen to maximize belly fat burn while fitting into my busy schedule. Despite the initial challenge of staying consistent, I saw incredible results. I built a daily habit that kept me motivated and on track. My routine was simple: 20 crunches, 15 leg raises, and a 30-second plank, done each morning. Over time, these small efforts made a huge difference. I got noticeable results. My belly fat started to melt away, my core became stronger, and my overall fitness improved. Physically, I felt more toned and confident. Mentally, the positive changes boosted my self-esteem and motivation. Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews. Plus, enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. I encourage you to try these belly fat burning exercises yourself. Consistency is key. Track your progress and stay committed. If you're looking to boost your fitness, the Fitness Tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. Get yours now with 5-star reviews and free shipping. Click the link below. Incorporate these targeted exercises into your routine and watch as your belly fat diminishes, leading to a healthier, more confident you.